That's for us, I swear to God.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Boone County and north-central Illinois, northeastern Oakland County and north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County and north-central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stoneman Valley, 8 miles northeast of Oregon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rockford Airport around 7:15 p.m. Cherry Valley around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Milford and Davis Junction, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 110 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 61 and 62. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.